When flying recently, and as we were preparing to take off, we heard that familiar message over the intercom. In case of cabin depression, put the oxygen mask on yourself first before assisting others. It sounds almost wrong, doesn't it? Our instinct is to save everyone first. The airline isn't being heartless though. They're being logical. If you run out of air, you are no good to the people around you who need you the most. In life, we face cabin depression every single day. Chronic stress, illness, brain fog, the weight of yesterday's cortisol. We try to be the perfect parent, the resilient partner, the focused director, all while our own internal oxygen levels are hitting zero. When you operate from a dirty or depleted nervous system, you aren't actually helping, you're just reacting. And your family, your team, and your body feel that tension. The pen is my oxygen mask. In the MindLines method, we use the science of neuroplasticity to do something profound. We self-regulate. By spending just 15 minutes at the table, I'm signaling safety to my biology. I'm physically repaving the highways of my brain, moving from flight to fright into a state of resourceful calm. When I put my mask on first, I show up differently. I have more patience for my children, I have more clarity for my business, and I have more grace for myself. Self-regulation isn't a luxury, it's an act of generosity, because a regulated nervous system is the greatest gift you can give to the people around you. Stop negotiating with your well-being. Put your mask on first, and I'll see you at the table.